welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I created this look that I'm calling Blue Smoke. And I use Anastasia Beverly Hills new artist palette. This palette is so beautiful. I think the colors in here are all so complementary. They're not colors that you would use, that you wouldn't really think to use together, but I really love all of these colors together. They're all so buttery and pretty and vibrant. And so, like, to be honest, when I was in the store and I swatched these on my arms, they didn't swatch that great. But when I put the shadows, like when I put a brush into the eyeshadows, it actually was so pigmented on my eyelid. It was so surprising, because swatching these with your finger on your arm doesn't do it justice. So if you're thinking like that's the color payoff, you're sorry, but you're mistaken. These colors are actually very pigmented. Did that make sense? Today's look primarily consisted of using this really beautiful navy color. It's called Blue Velvet, and this deep maroon color called Aubergine. And I also used Fresh on my inner corner just for a really subtle pop of color. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to go in with my foundation concoction, and it's a BareMinerals Neutralizing Primer plus the Cover FX Custom Cover Drops in G50. And I'm just buffing this foundation concoction mixture all into my skin with this brush. I love this brush. It has completely replaced my Sigma F80. It's just a brush that I have been reaching for. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer and conceal my under eye circles with the Urban Decay Medium Dark Something Concealer. Anyway, this stuff is totally amazing. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to try it. So here I'm just patting it into my skin with the pad of my ring finger, and then yeah, so here I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna reach up into between my eyebrows area and then pat it into my skin there, and then blend it into my skin with the Real Technique sponge. Doing this will just pick up whatever extra product is on your skin. Now I'm gonna set that area with the Kat Von D Lyric shade from her contour palette, and here I just put on some shadow shields just to protect my work from the fallout. First color is Dusty Rose from the Artist palette, and I'm using that as my transition color with my Sigma E40. And here I'm putting this on pretty sloppily because it's going to be covered up with other eyeshadows, but doing this will help blend the other eyeshadows that I'm going to add very easily. Next shade is Aubergine, which is a beautiful purpley maroon color, and I'm going into my outer corner and I'm deepening up my crease with my Sigma E25. Here I'm just taking my time blending this color, and then I'm gonna blend some more. The reason you want to blend this color is this is what's gonna make the look very cohesive, and it's just gonna take the Dusty Rose and that blue color and just make it look like it's one. So you really want to take your time blending this color into your skin. So yeah, just keep blending, and I'm speeding this up because I really do take my time blending. Next two shades are Blue Velvet and Unicorn, and I'm going to take this on a flat shader brush. This has no name on it. It's from a brush kit that I got a long time ago. And yeah, but you can take whatever flat shader brush you have and just pack these two colors onto your eyelid. So you can see that when I first place down my brush, that is where the color is most concentrated. So you just want to take some more color and pat that onto your lid. The shadow shield will protect your concealer underneath your eye from the eyeshadow's fallout. So next color is Aubergine again, and you're gonna take this color on your Sigma E25 or whatever blending brush you have. This is just the same one that I used earlier, and I'm gonna blend out the edge of that Unicorn and Blue Velvet mix. Just gonna take that also into my outer V and use the shadow shield as a guide to where I really want the darkness emphasized. So yeah, again, on the crease and on the outer V. So here I'm taking a little bit of kohl on that same brush and just deepening up my outer V. Using this color will add a lot of dimension to your look. Again, this is optional, so if you want that, then put it on there, but you don't need to. Now I just want to brighten up that lid color, and I'm going to take Unicorn to do that. So again, on that same flat shader brush, and I'm just packing this onto my lid because when you blend so much, you do lose some of the color. So you just have to pack it back on when you're done blending. So here is the eyeshadow product, and awesome! So here, because that is tape, you have to just take your foundation brush or your concealer sponge and just fill in whatever it took off. Here, you guys have seen me do this a bunch of times. This is my favorite gel liner. It's by LA Girl. It is a black one. And I'm just going to take my NYC Black Liquid Liner, and it's way down there. I'm so sorry. I wasn't really paying attention. But I used the edge of the eyeshadow to create my wing. That's why I went in with my wing first. I usually don't. I usually take the liner and use my eyelashes as a guide to place a line along my lash line first, but in this case I did it the opposite way and went in with my wing first. And because I forgot to set my brows earlier, I am doing it now with the Milani Clear Brow Gel, and this is basically self-explanatory. I know they're looking really wet right now, but trust me, this stuff dries clear and it's strong as glue. So I'm going in with Dusty Rose again just to blend out my lower lash line. So I'm just going to mimic whatever I did on my upper eyelid onto my lower lash line. So here I'm just taking a clean E25 and blending that out. Next I took Aubergine on the flat shader brush, and with the same E25 I'm just gonna blend that out. You have to take your time blending out this area because if you don't, you could go raccoon real quick. Next I'm gonna take the, I think this is Blue Unicorn. Sorry, I forgot to take a product shot. But yeah, Blue Unicorn on that same flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna take that along the entire lower lash line. So now that the eyeshadow and eyeliner is done, you're gonna want to prep your lashes with mascara, and here I'm just using a sample size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and you guys have seen me do mascara. Just make sure you don't get it on your skin, that's the main thing. So yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with these lashes from Socialize. Here is the Minx on top and the Minx 2.0. If you guys like the House of Lashes Iconic, these are just thinner, and I'm going in with the Minx one, the top one. They're just thinner and they give you the same spiky effect. I love these lashes. They're so comfortable to wear and so easy to apply. I have worn these specific lashes for maybe 5 times and they're still wearing like they're new. So yeah, definitely affordable. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below. Next, for that nice subtle pop of color in my inner corner, I'm going to be taking this nice yellow color Fresh. It is matte on a Makeup Geek soft dome brush. So I love using this brush for my inner corner, blah blah blah. So now I'm going in with Kat Von D Somber and Shadow Play on a Real Technique sculpting brush, and I'm using these products to contour my cheekbones, and then I'll be taking it onto my forehead. This brush is so bomb. You guys need to try it. It just blends your contour out really great. I haven't used it on cream contour yet, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll be pretty amazing. So on a Real Techniques blush brush, I'm going to take Makeup Geek's Infatuation blush and just take that onto my cheeks. I am not smiling at myself. This is a Mory Loumanizer by the BALM on a Target blush brush, and this stuff is so bomb. I hope you guys like swooped up on it when it was recently on HauteLook. Next is Essence Soft Berry Lip Liner, and you guys know how to put on lip liner, right? You just line your lips. And yeah, here I'm going to be slightly filling it in, and then when I'm done filling it in, I'm going to be taking Sephora's Marvelous Mauve Liquid Lipstick. This stuff is sold out, so get on the email list if you want to know when it is in stock. Or you can go to my homegirl's Instagram, Burns Beauty Finds, and she has all of this like limited edition makeup on her Instagram, and yeah, I will link her page down below. Quick side note, she is the only reason that I have this liquid lipstick. It's supposed to be a dupe for Stila's liquid lipstick in Patina, and this stuff is so comfortable to wear. It's only $13, so thank you, Burn. Anyway, here is the finished look. Easy peasy, right? Like all it takes is blending and again some awkward selfies for you. But yeah, see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching again. Bye.